Transport in cities, in particular rapidly growing emerging cities, as you can see here, is not without issues. Congestion, accidents, air and noise pollution, just to name a few. And so to promote healthy and sustainable urbanization, transport planners, engineers, designers, operators, and of course, transport users like yourself and myself need to be able to find comfort in ever increasing complexity. How can this be done? And where to get started? Well, there's a famous expression we can borrow from the world of business, which applies equally well to the world of sustainable mobility. And that is, what gets measured gets managed. And this really just implies that first we need to measure, so collect data on the various transport dynamics, which we can then use to manage. Essentially use the data to optimize and harmonize the many transport systems and services in our cities. This is, of course, easier said than done, which is why we, the Transformative Urban Mobility Initiative and Cities Forum, have created this online course on transport data fundamentals for sustainable mobility. This is a comprehensive introductory course geared towards emerging cities. I will be your host for the next 5 weeks. A warm welcome. And in these first 2 units and in this first week, I would like to take the opportunity to welcome you to the course, introduce you to the content, and highlight what you will learn, how you will learn, who you will be learning from, and also touch on who this course is best suited for. But first things first, who am I? I am Conrad Richardson, a transport data and capacity building specialist with a wide range of international experience in transport planning, engineering, design, and governance. And I've been very fortunate to live, study, and work on projects in Europe, North America, Africa, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia, where I am currently based. And I've also traveled extensively to over 100 countries, often with my camera, where I've set out to capture the urban transport dynamics of both emerging and very mature cities. Perhaps I've even been to your country or your city. We do invite you to let us know which country and city you are from in the forum in Unit 5. Anyway, on this journey of mine, I have experienced firsthand many types of formal and informal transport systems and services. I've gotten to ride on the back of 2-wheelers in Uganda, the famous Boda Boda. I've traveled all around Bangladesh in all kinds of 3-wheelers. I've also spent time in the back of the famous Filipino 4-wheeler jeepneys. And I've of course been on many bus rapid transit and rail-based transport systems. And I have walked and cycled many city streets. I've experienced the good, the bad, and the ugly. And in this process, I've also come across many fascinating case studies and met many fellow mobility activists, some of which I have invited to contribute to this course. And in addition, together with the Transformative Urban Mobility Initiative, which I'll now refer to as TUMI, as well as Cities Forum, we've also reached out to multidisciplinary transport experts from all around the world. Okay, so what will you be learning in this course? We'll cover this in the next unit. I look forward to seeing you there.